Exercise chapter number 3 on the ocean, Sumandar Par. Glossary. Words meanings in English. Copper sky. The sky was like a sheet of copper, bloody like blood in color. Stuck, nor breath nor motion. Indicates that everything was motionless, even the ocean. As idle as a painted ship upon a painted ocean, as motionless and still as the ship and the ocean in a painting. Exercise. Answer these questions. Question 1. Write the main idea of the poem. Answer. The main idea of the poem is that the man should face hardships and dangers with courage. Question number 2. Define the bloody sun. Answer. Bloody sun means the hot and red sun because of heat. Question number 3. Why everything was stuck? Answer. There was no motion in the sea, water, and that's why everything was stuck. Question number 4. What do you understand by a painted ocean? Answer. Painted ocean means a motionless sea which looks like a picture or a painting. Question number 5. Explain the last stanza in your own words. Answer. The poet says in the last stanza that there was water everywhere in the sea, but all the boards of ship had shrunk because of hotness. Although there was a lot of sea water, yet not a single drop to drink because it was too salty and hot. Underline the words in the poem which rhyme with these. Drink, ocean, moon. Can you think of any other words with the same sound? Answer. Pink, lotion, soon. Use the new words in your sentence. Disinterest. She is disinterested in games. Intercity. People usually use intercity transport. Dislike. I dislike smoking. Interconnect. Their two cities are interconnected with a common bridge. Disloyal. Aslam's servant was disloyal to him. Interplay. The students are observing the interplay of acid and zinc. Disjoint. The table was disjointed. Interact. He does not interact with his servants. Disfigure. Her beautiful face was disfigured in the road accident. Interlink. These two cities have been interlinked via railway track. Make your own similes with the given words. Hot, idle, white, beautiful, big, soft. Hot. The cup is hot like fire. Idle. The water of pool was idle like a rock. Right. Her father was right as rain. Beautiful. Her face is as beautiful as a rose. Big. The giant was big like a mountain. Soft. The cheeks of baby were as soft as butter. Write a summary of the poem on the ocean. This is a short and simple poem. The poet says that it was a very hot day. The sky was like burning copper. The sun was hot and red. It was right up above the mast at noon and was not bigger than the moon. The days passed, but there was no motion in the sea. It was a like painted ship upon a painted ocean. There was water everywhere, but all the boards of ship had shrunk because of hotness. Although there was a lot of sea water, yet not a single drop to drink because it was too salty and hot. Write a paragraph of about 50 to 60 words. Journey by bus. By keeping in mind the topic sentence and spotting details in paragraph, you may take help from the given vocabulary. Journey by bus. A journey by bus is an interesting experience. I live in Lahore. Last Monday I went to see my brother in Islamabad. I got up early in the morning. I packed my luggage. I hired a taxi and reached the bus stand. I bought my ticket. The Devo bus arrived in time. I boarded the bus. I got a seat near the window. The bus started at 6 a.m. On the way, I saw many buildings, green fields, and rivers. I saw very beautiful sights. I enjoyed very much. The bus stopped at some big bus stand like Gujranwala, Gujarat, Jhelum, and Dina. I enjoyed a hearty meal. I reached Islamabad at p.m. My brother was present at the bus stand to receive me. I was very happy to see him. Indeed, it was a pleasant journey. The end. Best of luck.